Dance with me. Let your hand rest into mine, and as we sway in the silence, let your mind drift back in time to the place where we first met.
Elle's getting married! Yay! Hi, Virginia!
We both felt, and where that has led us here today, dancing in the kitchen.
Congratulations to both of you. I now pronounce you as husband and wife, turning kiss the bride.
I can speak on behalf of everyone here tonight when I say how happy we are for the two of you, and how we all wish you guys a lifetime of love, happiness, and fun together. I wish that God protects your love and provide a guiding force throughout your marriage. I wish that you never stop being silly. Please stay true to your love of sync, Bieber songs, and continue to share your time with each other. And I wish you continue to grow, both as individuals and as a couple. And I wish you love and health for your future.
So, to wrap it up, I'll leave you guys with a little tradition. So, Elise, if you could do me a favor and put your hands on the table right in front of her hand. And I want everybody else to raise a glass and cheers to witnessing something incredible. The last time, for the rest of your life, that you'll ever have the upper hand. Cheers.
So dance with